Good morning, class 8 children. Today we'll continue with the revision of the mock paper. So yesterday we discussed the MCQs of this part. 20 MCQs were there. Now let's continue with the next type, 3 marks questions. So first question is list any 4 uses of electroplating. So kindly raise hand if you know the answer. Electroplating, children, already you know the process in which one metal is deposited on the other metal by the means of electricity. That is known as electroplating. So you may give, yes, Anshika Agarwal, what is the use of this electroplating?
It makes objects appear shiny, prevent corrosion, make object resistant to scratches, coat less reactive metal on more reactive metal to protect from getting spoiled, electroplate less expensive metal with silver or gold to make ornaments.
Okay. Anybody else want to add few points? What are the uses of electroplating? Very clear uses of yes, Anya. Use of electroplating. Yes, Anya, give the answer. What's the use of electroplating? So many uses are there. Neha.
Ma'am, I was speaking. Ma'am, it is used in industries and decorative arts.
Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, it is widely used in industry or coating metal objects with a thin layer of different metals. Coronium has a shiny surface and it does not corrode. Tin cans used for storing foods and made by electroplating tin onto iron. And iron is used in bridges and automobiles to provide strength.
Yes, children. So first, as both had told, that the simplest use of electroplating is first use, that is for to get the jewelry, like gold is plated on the artificial jewelry, that so that it look like a gold. Second, chromium is electroplated on various of the things, so that because chromium resist to the corrosion resistant, and second, it gives extra shine. Tin is electroplated on the iron material, so with that we can store the food items. Zinc is coated on iron by the process named as galvanization. As iron, you know, that corrodes very easily. So to prevent it from the corrosion, the zinc is electroplated. So you need to give the answer in points. Number 2, what happened when we pass an electric current in water? Explain with the help of diagram. Yes, Ananya Jain. So children, this was the question again from your chapter number 14. So I think this is the activity 14.5 activity, that when what electric current is passed through water, water split into, shows the bubbles. Bubbles are formed, I think. Yes, rest Ananya, you can tell.
Now, when electric current is passed through the water, it split into hydrogen and oxygen. This process is known as electrolysis of water.
Okay, beta. But this question is of 3 marks, so you need to give the complete activity. First of all, you have to tell the setting of it, that 2 carbon rods are required, 1 beaker in which the water is there, few drops of sulfuric acid is added to make it more conducting. That 2 electrodes are connected with the battery so that it can work. Okay. So as soon as we switch on the current or we disconnect the wires, what happens? The electric current start flowing, and after that, how we are come to know that the current is flowing? The bubbles start forming near the rods. So bubbles formations shows the presence of that the water had split into ions, bubbles. Next is number 3. Give examples to show that friction is both a friend and a foe. Yes, friction is a friend and a foe. So 2 of the things you have to tell. Either it is friend or either it is foe. So both of the points you have to give. First, how friction is a friend to you. Yes, Pari Agarwal. How friction is useful to you? Arav Sehgal. Arav Sehgal, Prabseft, Pari, Saksham Tiwari. How these are useful to you? Friction. Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, friction allow us to grip and catch different objects. It helps us to write on a paper or a blackboard. It helps us to walk comfortably on the surface.
Yes, so these all are the points. Many more points are there with the help of friction, which we can do. That is helps to move on the road, on the floor, and help us to write down. Even the nail is put it to the wall with the help of a friction only. Okay, next, how it is a foe. Foe means how it is disadvantages of the friction. First disadvantage, yes, Anshika.
It wears out material, for example, soles of shoes, ball bearings, steps of the stair, and parts of machine. Friction produces heat. Heat generated causes much wastage of energy.
Yes, so and the machines also wear out. When the machines are used for a longer period of a time in the industries, that machines also wear out. And the machines produces the heat. Heat generated is also wasted. And third thing, that is the sole of the shoes that wears out when we are using it regularly. So these are the disadvantages or the limitations, or you can say it is a foe for the friction. Next, number 4. Explain how lightning takes place. So children, just see the marks before doing the question. So if it is of 3 marks, you have to explain it properly. That what is lightning, how lightning can take place. I want rest of the children to participate. Kindly give the answer. That why and explain how lightning takes place. The answer will be from the this story of lightning. Complete story of lightning. What happens during the thunderstorm? Actually, this process starts when the thunderstorm takes place. So you need to tell what happens during the thunderstorm. When the thunderstorm takes place. Ananya Kahra.
Ma'am, during the development of thunderstorm, the air current moves upward direction while the water drops move in downward direction. This moment in this moment it takes the moment caused separation of charges or lightning.
Few more explanation is required, and when the current that lightning takes place, at that time what happens? Electric discharge you also have to explain. Electric discharge भी आप इसमें add कर सकते हैं, and अर्थिंग की definition भी आप add कर सकते हो, so that it should be at least 4-5 lines question should be there. Okay, next is Varuni. What are the methods to increase the friction? Explain 3 different methods to increase the friction. Just see to it where here we want to increase the friction. So what we need to do? Yes, Varuni. First way is.
Yes, ma'am. The 3 methods of increased friction: first, by applying more force on the object; second, by increasing the mass of the object. This can cause friction; and third, by creating a rougher point of contact.
Okay, any other way can be, you can tell the 3 ways of increasing the friction. What's the first way if we want to increase the friction? Yes, Anshika.
Ma'am, remove the lubricants.
Lubricants. Okay. So beta, you have to explain. Small bit explanation is required for the 3. I'm not saying that too much explanation, but at least write down the 3 points and small bit explanations. Next is, what are the methods to control noise pollution? 6 questions are there. So internal choice, you have to attempt any 5 questions. See to it. It's written already 3 into 5. So the ways to control noise pollutions. So give 3 or 4 ways to control the noise pollution. So what, in your point of view, what are the ways to control the noise pollution? What we should do? What we should do, or either what can be done by the authorities? Yes, Beta, you can add, Varuni. First point is,
Ma'am, first can I tell you what is noise pollution?
okay, next is,
Ma'am, second, silence devices must be installed in aircraft engines, transport vehicles, industrial machines, and
so
home appliances.
first is soundproof devices should be provided with the vehicles or of machines which produces too much of the noise. Second, you may add that factories should be away from the residential area.
Residential area. Yes, ma'am.
And what can be the third one? One more you can add on it.
Ma'am, trees must be planted along the
Yes.
roads and around the buildings.
Yes, around the buildings and around the roads, the trees should be planted because trees reduce the pollution, noise pollution. So these 3 or 4 points you may add to control the noise pollution. Okay. And horns of the vehicles should not be used unnecessarily. This can also be done. So these were the 3 marks questions. Next comes a long answer questions. 5 into 3 equals to 15, means 5 marks questions. Explain the process of electroplating or electrolysis with the help of a labeled diagram. So children, this again 14 chapter 14.7 activity means how the electroplating of copper. In your book it's of copper, pure copper, how it is deposited on the impure copper. You may do that activity, or you, if you want to do any other activity for electroplating, if you have read from somewhere, you can add that property, that process also. Like if you know that how to electroplate silver on the iron spoon, if you want to do that and if you know it properly, then you can do it for. So it's your wish. Any of the activity you may add, either copper plating or either the silver plating. But the diagram should be with the diagram because this question is of 5 marks. Next, we have 2 identical metal sheets. 2 identical metal sheets are there. One of them is rubbed with sandpaper and other with the ordinary paper. The one rubbed with the sandpaper shines more than the other. Why it is so? So children, I hope you have seen the sandpaper that is quite rough. We use sandpaper to clean the metal sheets or for the wood. Wood means earlier what happens, the wood is rough. So wood को और smoother बनाने के लिए we just rub the sandpaper on the wood. So why it is so? Why the object rubbed with sandpaper shines more? Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, as we all know, sandpaper has rough surface, which is due to the sand particles. These particles, when observed under microscopes, have sharp and irregular surface. So when we scrap the metal sheet with these papers, they create scratches on the surface of the metal sheet. When the surface of the sheet is scratched on the shiny lustrous metal is seen, but this doesn't happen with the ordinary paper, as they are smooth and cannot be scrapped with the metal surface.
So children, first reason is this, that Ananya Kahra, you want to say something?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, the sandpaper creates more friction between the metal sheet and it as compared to the plain paper. Therefore, the sandpaper makes the sheet shiner by removing the top layer of the metal sheet.
Yes, when we rub it, because sandpaper is very rough, to increase the friction. So what happens when we increase the friction, that surface, the top layer of the metal sheet that gets removed and the shiny metal comes out of it. So this is the reason. This can't be done with the ordinary paper because the ordinary paper is very smooth. Next, number 3, explain the working of layerings with the diagram. So diagram you need to draw, and the voice box means how we are able to speak from chapter sound. This you need to explain. Difference between the infrasonic and ultrasonic. So means the above question number 3A, that is we can consider it is of 3 marks, and the difference between the infrasonic ultrasonic, that can be considered between the for the 2 marks. So you may give the answer for it. Yes, Anshika has raised hand.
Infrasonic. These include the sound of frequency below 20 hertz. These sounds are produced by objects vibrating very slowly. Ultrasonic. These include sound of frequency above 20,000 hertz. These sounds are produced by objects vibrating very rapidly.
Okay, so infrasonic are the sound below 20 hertz, because first of all you should know the audible frequency of our ears. What is the audible frequency of our ears? The audible frequency of our ear is 20 to 20,000 hertz. So below 20 hertz we are not able to hear, that are known as infrasonic, and above 20,000 hertz, that are also inaudible for us. So that is ultrasonic. And if the second difference, you can give few examples of it. In ultrasonic, the sounds of ultrasound we are not able to hear, and this infrasonic में आप कौन सी दे सकते हो, which sound is less than 20 hertz, which we are not able to hear? Any of the sound? Can you give the example of it? Infrasonic?
Ma'am, earthquake.
Earthquake. Okay, that we are not able to hear. We hear
Ma'am, thunder.
thunderstorm, तो we are able to hear thunderstorm, तो हमें सुनाई देता है. The whispering of bees. आपने देखा होगा जो small insect हैं, they used to whisper one another. आपने इवन चींटियों को देखा होगा, जब वो चींटी लाइन में जाती है ना, when they strike with one another, they stop for a while. ऐसा देखा है आप लोगों ने? The whispering
Yes.
of that insect is the below infrasonic. That is the infrasonic. Below 20 hertz, we are not able to hear. Okay. So this was your question. You need to give at least 2 differences. Next. So here your subjective paper is over. No, it's 15, 30 marks. It's of 40 marks. Next comes your case study. For case study, beta, you have to read this paragraph. Okay, one more is there at the end. We'll see to it. First is your case study. Let's move for it. Case study. Yes, case study. It was a marriage party of Rama's elder sister Seema. Rama noticed 2 twin sisters were inviting in the party who wore identical gold necklace. But she got surprised when she came to know that both her ornaments are not of gold. Only one of them was of gold. And in the above situation, the following questions across in her mind: which necklace was of real gold and which was not? So how was it possible that some ornaments were not made up of gold but appear to be so? Yes, Ananya Jain. So first question is, how was it possible?
Ma'am, in such cases, electroplating is used to plate some kind of gold on any kind of ornament.
So gold is electroplated on the artificial jewelry. So that look like a gold, but exactly that is not of gold. Okay. So by the process of
Ma'am, one more
electroplating, it
thing.
is done. Hanji.
Ma'am, one question is less in this because there are 5 questions of 2 marks.
No problem, beta. Next, give other 2 applications of this technology. So this technology means which technology we are using? We are using electroplating here. So you may give any 2 applications of it. So already we had given 2 applications. Uses of electroplating we did. So in the same, any 2 ways you can give. Which value was shown by one of the twin sisters? What do you think? That if she is using the cheap jewelry, maybe she don't have the much of the amount. So what she is doing? She is using she is economic. Any of the values you think you can write down. She is very quite economical. So she has used the cheap jewelry and electroplated with the gold. Do the imitation ornaments shine permanently? Is it like that? If you compare with the real gold or with the artificial jewelry, which is electroplated with the gold. So that do the imitation means the electroplated ornaments. Do they shine permanently? They remain as it is for permanently. Yes, Anshika.
No, it will not get permanently shine. It will get dull after some time.
Yes, they get dull after some time because actually they are not made up of the exact metal. So the only electroplating is done, and in electroplating, very thin layer is done. Very thin layer of gold is electroplated. Okay, so that does not shine permanently.